Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn the irregular plurals, also called broken plurals. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to Table 1 to first see how regular plurals work. So in the table on the left side we have the masculine plural. And if you remember from the previous lessons, we can turn a word into its masculine plural form by adding un or in to the end of our word. Now let's look at the first example. Muallimun or muallimin. This means a group of male teachers or a mixed group of both male and female teachers. Now let's look at the right side for the feminine plural. Muallimat. Muallimat. This means a group of female teachers. Again, we have the word muallim plus at muallimat. So all in all, we have three endings for regular plurals in the Arabic language. Un, in, at. There's really no difference between un and in. They are both used to form the plural masculine, and the difference between them is strictly grammatical, and it doesn't matter which one we use when we're having a conversation. Alright, now let's move on to the second table to see some examples for irregular or broken plurals. In the Arabic language, there are a lot of different types of broken plurals, so the best way to learn them is through natural exposure and practice. Now let's look at the first word, madrasa, meaning a school. And on the right, the irregular plural, madaris. Madaris, meaning schools. So as we can see, there is a similarity in sound between the two words madrasa and madaris. The letters are kind of the same, but the word madrasa changes a little bit and it kind of gets broken, if you will. And that's why we call it a broken plural. Now let's look at the second word, mat'am. Mat'am, meaning a restaurant. And on the right side, mata'im. Mata'im, meaning restaurants. Next, matjar. Matjar, meaning a store. And the plural, matajir. Matajir, meaning stores. The next one, masrah. Masrah, meaning a theater. Plural, masarih. Masarih, meaning theaters. Next, hadiqa. Hadiqa, a park. And the plural, hadaiq. Hadaiq, meaning parks. Next, funduq. Funduq, meaning a hotel. And plural, fanadiq. Fanadiq, meaning hotels. Next, suq. Suq, meaning a market. And the plural, aswaq. Aswaq, meaning markets. Next, amal. Amal, meaning a job. And the plural, a'mal. A'mal, meaning jobs. Next, tifl. Tifl, meaning a child. And the plural, atfal. Atfal, meaning children. Next, kabir. Kabir, meaning big. Here we have an adjective. There's no difference between adjectives and nouns. All words, all nouns and adjectives in Arabic have plural forms. So kabir, meaning big, and the plural form, kibar. Kibar. Next one, صغير. صغير, meaning small. And the plural, صغار. صغار. Next, كلب, a dog, and plural, كلاب, dogs. Next, رجل, a man, and plural, رجال, men. Next, قطة, a cat, plural, قطط, cats. Next, شقة, an apartment, plural, شقق, apartments. Next, مدينة, a city, plural, مدن, cities. Next, قرية, a village, plural, قرى, villages. Next, بيت, a house, plural, بيوت, houses. Next, بنك, a bank, plural, بنوك, banks. Next, صديق, a friend, plural, أصدقاء, friends. And the last one, طبيب, a doctor, and plural, أطباء, doctors. Alright, before we wrap up the grammar for this lesson, there's one more thing that we need to learn, and that is how to use the non-human plurals in the Arabic language. By non-human plural, what we mean is a plural that refers to a group of anything that is not human beings. For example, words like houses, cars, dogs, cats. All of these words are in the plural form, but they do not refer to a group of people, therefore they are non-human plurals. And the grammar that we're going to need to use with non-human plurals is that they are always considered feminine singular or the she form. This means that all the adjectives, the verbs, and other elements in the sentence referring to a non-human plural need to be in the she form or in the feminine singular form. Okay, that's all the grammar we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. The schools are good in my city. المدارس جيدة في مدينتي. Number 2. Parks are beautiful. الحدائق جميلة. Number 3. The restaurants are expensive in my city. المطاعم غالية في مدينتي. Number 4. The stores are big in my city. المتاجر كبيرة في مدينتي. Number 5. Hotels are expensive. الفنادق غالية. Number 6. The apartments are small in my city. الشقق صغيرة في مدينتي. Number 7. The houses are big in my village. البيوت كبيرة في قريتي. Number 8. Villages are beautiful. القرى جميلة. Number 9. Big cities are expensive. المدن الكبيرة غالية. Number 10. Small apartments are cheap. الشقق الصغيرة رخيصة. Number 11. Arabic restaurants are good. المطاعم العربية جيدة. Number 12. Big cities are convenient. المدن الكبيرة مريحة. Number 13. Small villages are beautiful. القرى الصغيرة جميلة. Number 14. Cats are cute. القطط لطيفة. Number 15. My dogs are thirsty. كلابي عطشانة. Number 16. Big parks are beautiful. الحدائق الكبيرة جميلة. Number 17. Good hotels are expensive. الفنادق الجيدة غالية. And number 18, cheap hotels are bad. الفنادق الرخيصة سيئة. Alright, so that's it for the sample sentences. Make sure you check out sample sentences 2 and 3 for more practice. Alright, great. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.